Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video we will discussing about the uh, Pyresearch house price prediction. So you first video you can see how to train linear regression machine learning model train. Then we implement here is a simple interface. You enter your area and average income. You monthly earn $500, $200, $100, depend on you. Then average housing, then area, number of bedrooms, and your population, area population, 1200 yard, 100 yard, 1500 yard. It's so on depending on totally you. He will be predict you simply and mention you the how recognize you how you purchased your house in this budget. So let's see, download code from here. Okay, I will share you one link. Yeah, already we discuss in this video how to train our model. Okay,
Hi, I'm Liz from Tescarilla.
hello. Going to this video and house price prediction. Okay, I am going to my GitHub account and download code from here. You easily download and just running the algorithm. Here Python web application Flask machine learning model. So you can see it. Okay, so I have already opened my directory folder. Sorry, here is our model. You can see it. USA house model, which we first in video trained our linear regression. So I'm open my Sublime textbook. Mention here. Here is a requirement. We can also discuss the how to run this algorithm. Here is the all requirement. Here is your data. Here is your train model directory, USA model. Okay, then you mention your libraries and model which you open. Then you get and post all simple values and parameters. You can see it. So here is our simple HTML template. You change your colors depend on you what you want. Here is our we will be deploying third video on Heroku. Let's discuss firstly concept of simple basic app. Then we run and then we deploy machine learning project. So I'm clearing all my this account. You can see Python 3.8.8 quite. This version is will be used. Python msh pip install -r requirement. You can see I am already installed all dependency and freeze the all selected these libraries. So after installation you go simple run python app.py. Just copy this link, go to your browser and paste here. Average earning income 200, 2000. Then average house age, I think we can put here 10. Okay, I need 2 rooms, 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, area of population 100 yard. Okay, you can see the some predict of amount of in going to the minus. Oh, okay, it's not be satisfied. Okay, our budget 200. 5. I need 3 room, 2 bedroom for 1200. Area population. Oh no, we getting some error. So income is $200, $2000. Average house to 10. Okay, I think 2 bedrooms. 2. Okay, here I have 1. Okay, so you mentioned the predict -7012. Okay, I think we uh, going to implement wrong values. Let's do it again. So I think we open the data first of all. 5000. 1. I need 3 rooms. uh, Enter your area number rooms. I think we need 2. Okay, enough for me. And enter area population minus. Oh my god, here you can see the data. What data says? Income. Okay, and income I will just copy. First of all, we can see how to it's working. And average area housing age. Okay, number third. Okay, just copy and paste. Bedrooms. Population area. Here you can see the result of the in positive. Okay, let's try it yourself. Any confusion, any kind of getting error, any kind of this project running help out, you can comment down to support our channel for more getting informational updates.